You've seen these talking animal shorts everywhere. Little birds, little critters,
like plenty
having
more
full
up here.
conversations. And the thing that actually sells them isn't the animation. It's the voices, the timing,
Oh.
the emotion, the way
That
one
one's
character
mine.
goes quiet at exactly the
Yours?
right
I've
moment.
been sitting-
Stick with me till the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to make these, start to finish. And if you get value out of this, do me a quick favor first. Like the video, share it with someone who'd build one, and subscribe, because I break down a new one of these every week. As always, we start by planning a script for your story with the dialogue. I used Claude, but feel free to use any LLM, ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, whatever you like. Here's the screen we get, 3 shots, with the dialogue for each one, and the exact description of the voices we want for every character. Next, we generate the characters. We've got 3 of them, and here's the description for each. Then we head over to Google Flow and generate every reference image, starting with our first character, Plum. And we do the same for all the others, right down to the berry prop. Here are all our reference characters locked in. And don't worry, I'll drop all the prompts down in the description. Next, we get the first frame using this prompt. Copy the prompt, head over to Google Flow, set the resolution to 9:16, paste it in, drop in all the reference images, and hit enter. And here's our first frame. Now copy the video prompt for shot 1, go back to Google Flow, drop in the frame you just made, paste in the prompt, switch to video, set the duration to 10 seconds, and hit enter. Same thing for shot 2. We generate the first frame with this prompt, and here's our second frame. Then, with this prompt, we generate the shot. But watch the berry. These two are supposed to be fighting over one single berry, and the moment they pull, it stretches like taffy and splits into 2, one in each beak. That's the number one thing these models get wrong. They can't hold a single shared object between 2 characters. So we fix it in the prompt. One rigid berry, firm and solid. It does not stretch, split, or deform, no matter how hard they pull. Generate again with that locked in, and now it stays one berry through the whole tug of war.
There's like plenty more up here.
And finally, using this frame for the last shot, we get this clip. And here's the complete video.
That one's mine.
Yours? I've been sitting here since sunrise.
And in all that time, you still didn't take it.
Because I was savoring the moment.
Let go.
You let go!
It is mine!
Over my dead feathers.
There's like plenty more up here. Oh.
That's the whole thing. 3 shots, 1 short, start to finish. If it helped, like it, share it with someone who'd build one, and subscribe for a new breakdown every week.